That's my answer.
Thanks, Dad, for your this unique way of teaching. I'm feeling it's going well. Let's see after that. It's good. That's amazing.
Sir, whatever we learn from you, maybe it's not give us more time, but it's give better life. Better learn from you.
I love the approach that you have taken. That is giving an insight that actually it's all about us. Thing is, it's not about learning hard and fast rules about time management. It's actually it's how much actually do we give importance to time as a concept. Then I think we can devise our own.
I won't say anything about learning because all of them already been told by my friends. About you, I felt you are a very disciplined person. From the beginning itself, you are continuously focusing on the time. Maybe not in a punishing way, but in a way which will make us feel that if we are not following the time, we are not doing something right. This is the thing which I felt.